Today is August 5th, 2021. I am Preston McKay with M3A Architecture. We're here for the bid opening for bid number 3194, renovation to Ida B. Wells APAC School for Jackson Public School District. We received no hand-delivered bids. We do have 2 electronic bids. The first bid is from Flagstar Construction out of Brandon, Mississippi. Their certificate of responsibility number is 10817-MC. 10817-MC. They've included their 5% bid bond through Arch Insurance. The bid is signed and sealed. They acknowledge all 3 addendums. And they have a base bid cost of $1,348,000. That's 1,348,000. And they prescribed 330 days to complete the project. They have an add alternate number 1 price of $829,000. That's 829,000. And they have prescribed 30 additional days to complete the add alternate 1 scope. They have an add alternate number 2 price of $1,015,000. That's 1,015,000. And they prescribe 30 additional days to complete the scope. They indicate that they have made good faith efforts to obtain the MBE-WE participation. All right, our next bid is from Benchmark Construction. Their certificate of responsibility number is 05316. They've included 5% bid bond from Hartford Accident and Indemnity. Bid is signed and sealed. They acknowledge all 3 addendums. And they have a base bid price of $1,315,000. That's 1,315,000. They prescribe 365 days to complete the project. They have an add alternate number 1 price of $540,000. That's 540,000. And they prescribed 180 additional days for the add alternate 1 scope. They have an add alternate 2 price of $1,375,000. That's 1,375,000. And they've prescribed 120 days to complete the scope. And they indicate that they have made good faith efforts for the MBE participation. This concludes the opening of the bids for bid number 3194, renovation to Ida B. Wells APAC School for the Jackson Public School District.